Today we're going to do we're going to sharpen some lawnmower blades. This is a John Deere mower deck. Let me point you down to show you what we're looking at here. So that's what we're looking at. We're going to pull the blades off, we're going to sharpen them, we're going to put them back on. I'm just going to label them 1, 2, 3. Not only that, but that shows me where the top and the bottom goes. I mean, I've been doing this long enough that I don't need to do that, but for somebody that's new to sharpening their lawnmower blades, just mark it on the side that, you know, that's facing the ground. That way there you don't put it on backwards. These blades need a lot of work. They're pretty bad, but I think we can save them. The corners ain't rounded out too bad. Oh, that came off nice and easy. Alright, we're going to go over to the grinder. These blades are in such rough shape that, I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, they're round. They're round. I mean, they're almost square on the end. That's how bad they are. So, the belt sander wasn't cutting it unless I wanted to spend all night doing them. So I'm doing it over here on the bench with my big 7-inch grinder. I'll make short work of this sucker. Put our face shield on. And away we go. There we go. That'll cut. I want to balance these too. I'm going to show you a quick little trick. You don't need a $200 balancer to do this. All you got to do is hang it from a nail or a screw. Okay, I mounted up a screw in the vise here. And you can see this is pretty well balanced. I mean, good enough for a lawnmower blade. If it was out of balance, it would rotate to the heavy side. I don't think these are all that bad. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty darn good. Try this one here. Yeah, I mean, no big deal. All right, we're going to set this back up for grinding. I like this rotating vise because you can do this kind of stuff with it. It has its drawbacks though. A lot of times if you're trying to pry on stuff really hard, the rotation will give out on you. These clamps don't hold it enough. I mean, you can really buckle them down with a pipe, but even that. Very nice. Back at the mower deck. Now this should be torqued at a certain spec, 35 to 50 foot-pounds. We'll set this this impact gun on its lowest setting just to get him started. out. We'll set it at 35 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, don't sweat it. I mean, if you get a 1/2-inch ratchet and tighten it up pretty much as tight as you can go, you know, on the length of a regular 1/2-inch wrench, that's going to be good enough. I mean, these things, you know, don't use a 3/8 wrench. Use a 1/2-inch one. And a 1/2-inch handle is probably about this long. And let me tell you something. If you're holding this blade and you're pulling on a 1/2-inch wrench as hard as you can go, that's about 35 foot-pounds, and you don't have to sweat it. It'll be fine. All right, that concludes our mower deck blade sharpening. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. If you like this, a thumbs up goes a long way towards encouraging me to keep doing these videos. Thank you.